It's Jack Meister, and I'm with some of my mates, and we're just chilling, exploring shit. And we just found some. What the fuck is that? Just found some old boat. And
homeless man's shit.
I think this is a homeless man's home.
I swear to God.
Oh, toilet seat, lovely.
There's got to be a fucking homeless man next. No.
The hell, these are weights, guys. You got fishing weights, or like floats or whatever.
The floats for the boat. Ah, rhyme.
Floats for the boat. Get tent and stuff, right?
Hey, yeah, what is that?
The hell is that toolbox here?
Oh my God, that's... Oh my God, yeah. Lucky or them, yeah. No, that better not be a cat in there. Because sometimes people crawl like that.
There ain't no cat in it. Shit.
Whoa. It's got a box in.
What the hell? The space race.
Yo, they can see us, them people there.
What the hell is that? Oh shit, my finger.
Scarface.
Yeah, space racing man. Oh fuck. Oh, it's plastic, not a snake. There's little ladders there. I genuinely think the person's living here. That's just good. Hey Lewis, might have some money there.
There's money in there.
There's the balls money in there, Lewis. Right. Shut. The bog.
Hey, look at all these books.
What? Yeah.
Oh, that's a fan tip.
Oh, Lewis found you a torch for your exploration videos, lad.
Come on, go on, come on.
What is it?
What did he do? He threw it fucking far, that's what he did. No, that's the back of that building. That's like cinema at the back of it.
Yeah, about the cinema.
Can't get in there.
What is the news on the cinema? There's like another one, fucking gas
It's
thing.
really old. It's been there for like 50 years. Yo, what the hell is this?
Nothing where.
Ever since I've seen it, it's been abandoned.
Yeah, but you know
One sec, guys. I'm just gonna pause the camera now.
it's rusty to shit.
Joe, help us open it. It's like these buttons.
Oh, you could
Push
put
that
in
button.
fridge up. Who wants a fridge?
Oh, you're a dirty bastard, you actually.
Who wants a fridge? You slide down.
No, it's in there. It's heavy.
Wow. Durable.
What's that?
Oh, Callum, you can have a spoon for your Weetabix, lad.
I just thought what blows up here.
Oh, on the outside.
Oh. Have you got a dinghy?
So you can put your mouth around it and we can ride
There's
it.
literally a dinghy there.
Lewis,
That's an
oh,
A dirty dinghy.
Lewis, what's wrong with this? It's actually heavy. Look, feel that.
I don't want to touch it.
It's heavy as hell.
Guys. Oh.
Lewis, just feel it. You want to get in it when you feel it.
I don't want to.
It's heavy.
Yeah, I know.
Wait a minute, is that PC? That's for...
It's locked.
Was that that case? Oh yeah, I missed it. Sorry.
Maybe he's just walked round from me throwing that.
Maybe. Oh shit. Oh, it's nasty. Look at that little handle.
If I see him walking through there, then we're going. Okay.
Right. Yeah, there might be some guys coming. hell? Press a lock. Like a knife or switchblade or something.
This is just dirty fucking shit, man.
Oh, there's not much out here, guys.
Let's go behind that cinnamon. This is fucking shit. Is that blood?
I was just trying.
There's a shed over there, remember?
What?
There's a shed over there.
That shit me up, Joe.
I don't know why I just like old stuff.
It's a dump. Free giveaway a TV. With an antenna.
At the end of it. Why does it keep going on?
I'm just saying that. No, what's it work?
No,
You can't take that off, that's built in.